With the latest set of updates, it's legal to say that Ford has solved every single issue owners had with this mid-size SUV. Performance, comfort, practicality, and now off-road capabilities. We are talking about the most complete Explorer ever. The 2026 Ford Explorer solves every owner complaint. Let's check it out. Tremor treatment. This isn't just another trim level. It's Ford's declaration of war against every competing midsize SUV that's off-road focused. The brand new 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor transforms America's favorite family hauler into an unstoppable adventure machine. Ford's Tremor lineup has been dominating the truck world, and now it's coming for the SUV segment with serious hardware. Think of Tremor as a Diet Raptor with real substance. While you can't launch this thing off sand dunes like a Bronco Raptor, the Explorer Tremor packs enough off-road gear to tackle adventures that would leave regular Explorers stuck in the parking lot. This is the most rugged Explorer Ford has ever built, period. The hardware list reads like an off-road enthusiast's dream. Ford engineers installed underbody skid plates to protect vital components from rocks and debris. Tremor-specific springs and anti-roll bars completely retune the suspension for serious terrain. The ride height jumps up by a full inch, dramatically improving approach and departure angles for climbing over obstacles that would scrape lesser SUVs. Every Explorer Tremor rolls on aggressive Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires, mounted on unique 18-inch wheels with distinctive orange pockets that make valve stem identification effortless when airing down for trail duty. That electric spice orange color becomes the Tremor's signature, appearing on front tow hooks and the LED light bar that bisects the front grille. Under the hood, power options deliver serious capability. The standard setup features a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder, pumping out 300 horsepower, backed by a Torsen limited-slip rear differential that maximizes traction when things get slippery. Want more muscle? Step up to the same twin turbocharged 3-liter V6 from the Explorer ST that unleashes 400 horses and 415 pound-feet of torque, enough grunt to embarrass sports cars while hauling your family and gear. Bold, aggressive, modern. The exterior design refresh proves Ford finally understands what Explorer buyers actually want. Gone are the days of bland, forgettable styling that blended into suburban parking lots. The 2026 Explorer commands attention with dramatically redesigned front and rear sections that look like they mean business. The grille transformation alone changes everything. With the recent refresh, Ford created distinct personalities for each trim level through clever grille designs. The Active's black mesh with chrome bars signals capability, while the ST line and ST Sport aggressive gloss black honeycomb patterns that scream performance. The Platinum trim mixes wing elements with black and satin chrome for upscale appeal that rivals luxury brands. Those headlights received a complete makeover with sharper, more athletic proportions that complement wider, lower front bumpers designed to mimic protective skid plates. The overall effect is tougher, more muscular, and undeniably modern. Exactly what families shopping for adventure-ready SUVs demand. At the rear, connected taillights create a dramatic light signature that makes the Explorer instantly recognizable day or night. The horizontal element linking both taillights features illuminated Explorer script that adds premium appeal without breaking the bank. First-time buyers can now spec a factory black painted roof on all trims except the base model, creating that sought-after two-tone look straight from the dealer. New paint options like Vapor Blue Metallic give buyers fresh choices that stand out from the sea of white and silver SUVs crowding dealer lots. The performance-minded ST introduces magnetite painted 21-inch wheels that also work on the ST line when equipped with the Street Pack upgrade featuring red painted brake calipers for serious visual impact. Stylish and practical cabin. The interior addresses every major complaint about previous Explorer versions. Ford completely reimagined the dashboard layout with the design pushed forward to create more spacious front seat areas that feel genuinely roomy rather than cramped. New soft touch materials cover the center console, door panels, and dashboard, a massive improvement over the hard plastics that plagued earlier models. Revised seat designs on lower trims finally deliver the comfort owners demanded, while multiple new interior color schemes let buyers personalize their space. The clever soundbar-like element baked into the dashboard hides stereo speakers for cleaner aesthetics, with premium Bang and Olufsen systems available on higher trims. Third row access remains straightforward thanks to a mechanism that moves second row seats out of the way at the touch of a button. The cargo area impresses with practical dimensions. 4 carry-on suitcases fit behind the third row, while folding both rear rows flat accommodates 31 carry-ons for serious hauling capability. The Tremor gets exclusive interior touches that reinforce its adventure-ready character. Flashy orange contrast stitching appears throughout the cabin, handsome trim pieces dressed dress up the dash and doors, and Tremor script in the front seatbacks announces this SUV's off-road intentions to anyone who climbs inside. Practical storage solutions address real-world family needs. A handy tray protrudes from the center stack where dual wireless charging pads live, eliminating cable clutter. 8 USB ports, distributed throughout all 3 rows, ensure everyone stays connected, while 3 12-volt power sockets handle larger devices and accessories. Latest tech features. Ford's technology story centers around the massive screens that dominate the dashboard. The standard 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster works alongside a 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system that runs Ford's new software. Both screens operate on a single module for the first time, delivering smoother performance and faster response times. The Ford digital experience represents a quantum leap forward in automotive technology. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, but the real magic happens with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa integration for voice control that actually work. When parked, owners can stream videos from YouTube and Amazon Prime, browse the internet using the Vivaldi browser, and play video games with Bluetooth-connected controllers. Over-the-air updates keep the system current without dealer visits, while nearly countless apps through the Google Play Store transform the Explorer into a mobile entertainment center. The Ford Premium plan includes 5G connectivity with the first year free, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds for streaming and downloads. Blue Cruise hands-free driving technology finally arrives on the Explorer, a feature that's been standard on luxury counterparts for years. Available on ST-Line, ST, and Platinum trims, Blue Cruise enables hands-free highway driving on thousands of pre-mapped roads, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. Version 1.5 introduces automatic lane change functionality that makes the system even more capable. Safety technology gets comprehensive updates with standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. A 360-degree camera system comes standard on the Tremor, while massaging front seats and a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen stereo remain available upgrades. Powertrain and performance. The engine lineup delivers exactly what Explorer buyers have been requesting. The standard turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder produces 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, enough power to hit 60 miles per hour in approximately 6 seconds while returning respectable fuel economy numbers. Real performance comes from the optional twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 that cranks out 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse rockets the Explorer ST to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds, making it legitimately quick by any standard. Both engines pair with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, though only the ST gets paddle shifters for manual control. All-wheel drive remains optional across the lineup, but standard rear-wheel drive keeps base prices reasonable for families prioritizing value. Maximum towing capacity hits 5,000 pounds across all trim levels, with Class 3 towing packages standard, including hitches, wiring harnesses, and trailer sway control systems. Fuel economy numbers stay competitive despite the performance capabilities. The most efficient rear-wheel drive 4-cylinder models achieve 21 miles per gallon city and 28 highway, with all-wheel drive dropping both figures by just 1 mile per gallon. The twin-turbo V6 returns 18 miles per gallon city and 26 highway regardless of drivetrain choice. Impressive for this level of performance. Ride quality strikes a good balance between comfort and control. The suspension setup absorbs road imperfections smoothly while maintaining composed handling and predictable responses that inspire confidence. 6 drive modes optimize vehicle performance based on surface conditions, ensuring the Explorer adapts to everything from snow-covered streets to rocky trails. Release date and price. The 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor is available to order now, with deliveries starting before the end of the year. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but we know that the Tremor will start around $52,000, positioning it competitively against off-road-focused rivals like the Honda Pilot Trailsport and Kia Telluride X Pro. The rest of the Explorer lineup carries over unchanged from the recent refresh, with base active models starting around $42,000 and range-topping ST variants reaching approximately $56,000. The ST line remains the sweet spot for most buyers, delivering sporty styling and the powerful 4-cylinder engine at a price point nearly $11,000 less than the V6-powered SD. Ford's commitment to value shows in standard equipment levels that would cost extra on many competitors. The Tremor represents the most capable Explorer ever built, finally giving Ford a legitimate answer to Jeep's Grand Cherokee L and other off-road-focused 3-row SUVs that have dominated this niche for too long. But even with all these upgrades, the class-leading position is not guaranteed, because the Explorer will face extremely tough competition. Check out this video about the 2026 Chevy Traverse, solving every owner complaint, which you can now see on the screen. Chevy's midsize SUV is more comfortable and more practical than ever before.